Kingdom's Wealth and Wisdom, brought to you by Petra Worldwide. Here is Nathan Weaver.
Greetings and welcome to Kingdom's Wealth and Wisdom. I'm Nathan Weaver, founder and executive director of Petra Worldwide. You know, we live in an age of wonder. In this current year, we have agentic AI that can reconcile thousands of transactions in seconds, predict cash flows with amazing accuracy, and even draft a first round of your tax return before your morning coffee. But as we automate math, we risk losing meaning. Data is not wisdom, and an algorithm has no skin in the game. Today, we're going to discuss the human factor and why most advanced AI in the world still needs some human stewardship to turn the outputs into outcomes, and why your legacy depends on the heart, not just the hard drive and the results of AI. Well, the first thing to understand is the difference between fluency and reliability. Modern AI is incredibly fluent. It can sound like a seasoned, experienced CFO, but it operates on probability, not on professional judgment. The content gap there is AI can see that you spent $5,000 on travel, but it doesn't know that the trip was a pivotal meeting to secure a 10-year contract that changes the entire structure of your business. There's also an empathy gap. When the market dips and your partner leaves, an AI can give you a Monte Carlo simulation for your risk, but it cannot offer the reassurance, the accountability, or the gut feeling that comes from a mentor who has walked through the fire with you over the long term. In the current year, 69% of investors still refuse to take action on AI generated advice without a human green light. People understand that you still need human intelligence to analyze, interpret, and take action on artificial intelligence. The machine is the engine, but you and your advisor are the ones who must make the decision where the ship is actually going to sail.
Pastors and financial leaders, do you need expert accounting or tax help? Do you have payroll or 1099 questions? Do you need a ministry expert to help you acquire real estate for your next project? If the answer is yes, yes, and yes, visit petraworldwide.org. Petra Worldwide has been strengthening ministries to transform humanity since 2007. Visit petraworldwide.org or call 855-481-9095.
In today's world, this human oversight is legally more important than ever before, especially under the One Big Beautiful Bill. While the One Big Beautiful Bill actually funded billions of dollars of AI integration and government audits, it also made tax law more permanent and more nuanced. AI is a great red flag alert system, monitoring things like a 7-day rental rule or the Augusta 14-day limit. But AI cannot perform tax alchemy. It cannot help you create legal structuring of a business to take advantage of a 20% QBI deduction or the permanent 100% bonus depreciation in ways that align with your family's long term values. A machine can calculate your provisional income trap, but only a human advisor can look at your life and say, let's delay this distribution because your grandson is starting college next year. Wisdom is in the application of the data, and the human wisdom is the only way to appropriately apply the application of the data for the greatest outcome. At Petra Worldwide, this is at the soul of what we do. We use AI every day to strip away the drudge work, the manual data entry, and to stop the rearview mirror and make more time for conversation. I'm Nathan Weaver. Lead with confidence, live with integrity, and build something that lasts.
Listen every day at 4 p.m. for Kingdom's Wealth and Wisdom, brought to you by Petra Worldwide, strengthening ministries to transform humanity. On the web at petraworldwide.org.